Okay, guys, we're down in Beddington with Max and Maria on possession day. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you, thank
Thanks,
you.
Nelson.
So, how long have you been following us? Do you remember? Because I remember Max coming in person to our seminars back in the day in East Village. Maria, did you come too?
Yes, I came a couple of times. It's been like 6 years now.
Wow, it's been that long.
It was before our firstborn,
Yeah.
which he is now 6 years. So
Yes.
before that was our date night, like you
Yes.
said the other
Yeah,
day.
yeah. We had lots of couples come down for date night, which was amazing.
Yeah.
But that turned out to now making money in real estate. So the date nights paid off.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
right.
So these guys are actually in the middle of legalizing a suite. We actually got a call from Max probably a few months ago, maybe a little bit longer, saying, look, I want to expand our portfolio. And when we came to meet with you, you had decided to legalize the basement suite. You're in the middle of that. You're using some of our contractors. How is it going with that process?
It's
Go ahead.
it's good. No, it's perfect. Yeah, we got all of your referrals. We're working with them, and it's been awesome. We are really happy and grateful with you guys.
Yeah.
Working with you it's going. I mean, it's stressful,
Yeah.
but at the same time, we feel like you make it easier.
Yeah.
So it's good. It's good.
Yeah,
What about
cool.
you, Max?
That is cool. And I know with that property there's a huge amount of equity. And you guys started the refinance process. Danielle helped you. How was that? And just understanding that process and then being able to now come and buy the next property, which is a legally suited property. So now you're going to have 4 doors, 4 sets of tenants, and everything will be cash flowing. Like, how was the process to get the money out? Did you realize you could do that and then move forward to where you are today?
Do you want to say that?
Sure. So the process with Danielle has been pretty straightforward. She's awesome. She created a plan for us. Like, she look at our financials, how much equity we have, what the plan for the next 2, 3, 4 years would look
Yeah.
like. So like you were totally happy with the finances. And
Yeah.
it was great, and thank you for introducing us to her.
Yes, no problem. We've kind of hand selected our people that we work with. Like your electrician, Julian, he is a crew investor. Like he bought a foreclosure through us. So we work with, it's like a community, and you guys are becoming part of that community, which is great. But now buying this property, for everybody out there, we are in Beddington. It's a legally suited property. We got the cheapest legally suited property in the Northwest, which is unbelievable. We're across from a huge park. How does it feel knowing now that you're stepping on, it's a stepping stone, you're buying this property and then there's more to come down the road?
It feels exciting for sure. At the same time, we're a little bit scary and excited to see how it goes. But at the same time, like I said, with you guys, we feel like it's gonna be fine.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's exciting. It's nice. We didn't know this strategy also with Daniel was possible, like
Yeah.
just to do and repeat again. And
Yeah.
so we see ourselves, if this goes well, like doing it again in the future.
Exactly.
Hopefully, so yeah.
So with Max and Maria's plan, it was to legalize their current home where they're living and then buy another legally suited property, which will help them later on get into, maybe you have big decisions to make. It's either buying a home for yourselves and your kids or buying something that you can step up into, so you can move into that one and then that one can become a rental property later on and then move into another one. So then you're going to now have maybe 6 properties over a 5-year period. How does that sound to you guys, and is this all crazy to you guys?
It was. I mean, when we first met you, that was the vision. It took a little while to get there, and we're still walking down the path,
Yeah.
right? But it feels exciting, and we're looking forward to it.
And it feels possible. That's
Exactly,
That's,
yeah.
Now we have a clear vision. We have the money. We know how it's all going to grow. We're not in a rush, which is great. And you guys have been really good investors that way, understanding the process and then moving forward. What can you tell people out there that want to invest in real estate and have a portfolio? You guys aren't even on a $1 million portfolio. You're looking to grow to $2 million plus.
Wow.
Whenever that happens. And imagine one day that's going to be paid off for your future and for your kids. Like, how does that feel? How can you tell people out there to stop sitting on the fence and do what you're doing?
Yeah. So first thing, follow these guys. They're awesome. They're gonna give you good advice. And if you're planning that for the future, start now, because you have a whole team that can give you a strategy, and you look forward to the future, like to 3 to 5 years. So start now. And sometimes it feels it's impossible, but it is possible with the right team. So that's what I would say.
Okay, well, congratulations to Max and Maria.
Thank
Hope
you.
everybody liked this little video on these guys. Thank you for doing it. And if you're thinking of investing in real estate, first thing you should do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's free. And then come to one of our investment seminars. These guys have been following us for 6 years. You must be crazy putting up with this for 6 years on YouTube and then the seminars. Well, you guys should come down too. Thank you very much. Okay, that's